Tomorrow we play.
And help.
Yes, my dear.
Good night.
A bountiful harvest, my dears.
Indeed, the earth has.
We should be very grateful.
Yay, fresh bread.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English Through Science channel.
Please like and subscribe.
Leave a comment.
Watch to the end. Morning!
The rooster.
New day. Already?
Let's go.
Time to work. Fresh from the garden.
Wow, fresh bread. Can I have some?
Of course, dear. Look at this wonderful harvest.
The bread is so fresh. The vegetables are huge.
Blessing indeed.
Let's go home. All right, everyone, let's head home.
The bread smells so good.
I picked the best tomatoes.
You all did great. What a beautiful day for a walk.
It certainly is. The harvest was plentiful.
I can't wait to eat. Me too.
Plants need water.
Every day.
Like me.
I drink water. Good habit.
Not too much. A fine day for the garden.
The carrots are thriving this year. I'm helping.
That's it, lad. A fine carrot.
Look, a big one. Perfect for tonight's stew.
Good morning, chickens.
Run! They are happy.
Good morning.
They like sunshine. Good animals. Close gate.
Good morning, chickens.
They are happy.
Good like animals. Note. Good run.
Easy now, little hen.
She's a happy one. She certainly is. Here, chicky chicky.
Gently now, sweetie.
Wow!
Clucky's so excited.
He's ready to play.
Look at him go. Look, she's found something.
Cluck, cluck. What is it?
Cluck.
Let's see where she goes.
For Grandma.
Thank you, dear.
Pretty flowers.
Cool, nice animals.
Smell nice.
Good gift.
Such a beautiful day.
It truly is.
Here you go, chicken. He's coming for the carrots.
Let's share. Good morning. I brought these fresh flowers for everyone.
They're lovely, thank you.
And we have carrots. Want one?
Here you go.
What lovely carrots.
They grew so well.
Can we pick more? Yes, let's go. All right, to the field.
Wait.
What a lovely day for a walk.
Yeah, the flowers are so pretty. I picked these carrots from the garden.
I am riding.
Slowly. Hold tight. Good balance. Careful. Don't fall. This is so much fun.
Yeah, giddy up.
Look at the flowers. They're so pretty. Wow, look at him go. Whee, this is so much fun. Wait for us. We're coming.
Catch me if you can.
This is so much fun. I know, right? Giddy up, donkey. Whee, let's go faster. Clean wool. For clothes.
So soft.
Like clouds.
Good work.
Not too wet.
Whee! This is so much fun. Yeah, go donkey go.
We're coming too.
The fence is broken.
We fix it.
I can help.
Me too. Good teamwork.
Strong hammer.
Hold it steady there. Got it. One more swing.
Yay, it's working.
You're all doing great.
Teamwork.
Wow, Dad, are you really going to do it?
You bet. Watch this.
Oh, be careful.
Piece of cake.
What a perfect day.
Yay, let's play.
All right, let's get to it. I'll help too.
Woof, woof.
Slowly, the heavy broken. Well, yeah.
I I try.
Strong arms. Good job. Whoa, Leah. The heavy broken. Strong arms. I try. Good job. Whoa.
Red apples.
Sweet.
Good fruit.
For dessert, you're too high.
Sweet.
He is brave.
Yes.
Orlig.
Good boy.
Thank you.
Good dog.
The dog guards us. He is brave.
Good boy. Thank you. Flatbread is ready.
Smells good.
Some. Me too.
Hot.
Hot. Here you go. Please eat.
Thank you.
Hello.
Welcome.
Share food. Good manners.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye-bye.